Hi, how are you doing, everyone? I'm a mechanical student from University of Alberta. Today, in this video, I'm going to be talking about the relationship between mechanical engineering and urban sustainability. So first, let's take a look at what is urban sustainability and how is mechanical engineering related to it. General experts believe that a sustainable city should meet the needs of the present without sacrificing the ability of future generations to meet their own need. So urban sustainability means that the city can be organized without excess reliance on the surrounding countryside and be able to power itself with some renewable sources of energy. However, when we are talking about urban sustainability, we doesn't mean to isolate area from the surroundings and make it function on its own. We are looking to instead use the energy, the land, the materials available, any materials available more effectively for a better output. That's our goal of achieving urban sustainability. So how is it related to mechanical engineering? Well, some of you might be confused by the topic, like how is mechanical engineering related to an environmental problem? So in the following example, I'm going to show you how is these two things related through a thermodynamic mechanical engineering problem. If you take a look at the picture here, this is an energy transfer figure for heat engine system. Thermal efficiency describing the level of maturity of a heat engine system, and is the same concept here when we are considering the energy consuming system of a city as a heat engine. Here the energy input is fixed, and our goal is looking to how to maximize output energy and how do we lower the input energy if the output energy is fixed. For those of you who have taken the MecE 340 and 371, the example I just gave should be familiar to you because we are solving every single question with this concept. So from my perspective as a mechanical engineer, we could be improving the urban sustainability by building one of the solutions is by building a more scientific structure for energy consumption. In this section, we are considering family cost of energy in urban cities. This is a pie chart of energy consumption in Edmonton. The most significant energy-consuming activity here is heating and water usage. As I just mentioned, we could make energy consuming more efficient through designing more reasonable and scientific engineering structure for each house in Edmonton. And we are going to consider how could the energy consuming be reduced in this way. For example, check this out. It is named 90 Home. There are a lot of mechanical features involved, but I will only mention some of the most important ones. The outer wall of the house is made by double insulation, which reduces the heating and cooling demand. While in Canada, we only care about heating for most of the time, so yeah. And we all know that the heat air travels upward, while the cold air travels downward. Therefore, the heating pump is set underground for a better heat exchange efficiency. The exceptional here ceiling for all windows and doors performs the same function here, and you won't annoy your neighbors when you are having a home party, which makes a good relationship sustainable as well. Since the majority daily use of water is by showering, energy control for this part is very important as well. Check the washroom here. The flow rate of water fixture will save water usage for showering quite a lot. You might think that the low flow pipe is just going to waste more waters as your shower takes longer, but studies do show that the design save water usage on average of 10 to 20%. So you may not have a satisfying shower as you used to be if you are living in a house like this, but you're actually saving the energy for your grandson, your later generations, which you might not have any right now, but you will understand what I mean. And the last thing to mention is the photovoltaic panel hovering over the roof. This is a method of recycling the solar energy for household usage. It could be used for LED light and even the washing machine. It costs more money than the house structuring process, but the profit for long term is remarkable. There are still many things that we could be doing to promote the urban sustainability in mechanical ways. I just mentioned a few ways of doing it with an improved mechanical system. but we could still do things like recycling and stuff like that. It's hard to include all of them in a 5-minute video, but I hope you enjoyed the points I made, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.